What's that public got? Freak showing that shit close right now.
Investigation.
Huh?
Investigation.
Yep.
Hey, what's going on, fellas? You guys got some good flashlights, man. Hey, what's going on, fellas? What's up, right, bro? Hey, we're getting some complaints from the drivers about you guys.
Tell them to stop crying, man.
Huh?
Tell them to stop crying and just keep on trucking, man. That's about it.
Oh no, you guys can't be flashing the flash at the drivers.
I can flash the flash at whoever I want, man.
I don't think you're allowed to do that.
I think I am, and actually I know I am.
Okay, why are you guys gonna take pictures?
That's none of your business, man. We're conducting an investigation. You have nothing to do with it, so just go away. Let us do our investigation.
Oh, fuck it. You guys are well within your rights. Thanks for knowing your guys' rights. Oh, I got a flashlight too. Hey, but seriously, it's kind of dangerous when you flash at truck drivers. We're not telling you to do anything, but just it's kind of dangerous, bro. Thanks, y'all.
That haircut's dangerous.
Oh, shoot. I got the jokes too.
Make sure to change your diapers. Oh, he's out on the public sidewalk. Might be a security guard.
Security gone wild.
Yep. We got a security guard here at Amazon. Coming out here on the public sidewalk to us.
Well, how you guys doing?
What do you care?
Huh?
What do you care, man? Mind your own business.
What are you guys doing here?
It's none of your business, man.
None of my business?
Yeah.
That's right.
What the hell? Oh, crybaby. You're one of those, huh? Go cry somewhere else, man.
Look at this crybaby.
Go cry somewhere else, dude.
I can film you too.
Copy on the situation for the
Look at this crybaby right here.
Yeah, we have two individuals in all black shining a flashlight in my face.
Oh, who started shining a light, crybaby?
Yeah. Okay.
Who started shining a light?
Yep.
Look at this guy right here.
Yep.
Back up, crybaby. You're out on the public sidewalk. Get back on your property. You don't belong out here.
Allied, no wonder. Look. Another Allied Universal right here. Look. Out on the public sidewalk. Check this guy out.
Go back on your property, man.
Or what?
Coward.
Or what?
Go.
Or what?
Coward.
Or what?
Coward.
Yeah, all right.
Go, coward.
Don't be threatening people out here, man.
I
You know you work for a company, right?
Look at
You know you work for a company. Back up, man. Back up. Back up.
I asked you what
Back
you were
up.
doing.
It does none of your business, man. None of your business.
Take your
You're gonna get
flashlight out my
fired for
face.
that.
Hey, none of your
Take your
business,
flashlight
dude.
out my face too.
Hey, you don't have anything to do with what happens out here in the public sidewalk. So go away.
Okay, sir.
Go away.
Yeah,
That's right.
We're here from the
That's
public
right. Go away.
Yeah, yeah.
Go away.
Watch what happens when they get here.
Go cry somewhere else. They're gonna tell you to leave us alone, crybaby. You're gonna be known as a crybaby.
You're gonna learn about your rights.
Keep it up.
Yeah.
Keep it up.
You're gonna be known as a crybaby for calling the police for no reason, crybaby.
You're about to learn about your rights.
Yeah.
Dumb
Go
dumb.
ahead, boy.
Dumb dumb. Hey, Martin Luther King would climb out the grave and slap the shit out of you.
Come do it. Come
I
do it.
said Martin Luther King will climb out the grave and slap the shit out of you. And then Malcolm X will climb out of his grave and piss on you for acting that way. Pussy! Here we come. To your left now. Now we got him to the left. All right, so we got more to the left coming out here now.
Oh, fuck. That's right.
Stop crying like a baby. Stop crying like a baby.
Baby cakes.
Step off the property again, puss boy.
Stop making threats, crybaby. Stop making threats, crybaby. You had your opportunity. You were already out here, crybaby. Go away.
Yeah, you went and got your girlfriend or what?
Go away. Go away.
Is that your boy? Is that your boyfriend? Is that your boyfriend?
I can't hear you. Come a little closer. I can't hear you.
Is that your boyfriend?
I can't hear you. Come a little closer.
Why don't you shut up? Go back inside. Why don't you shut the fuck up? And why don't you come back off the property again, superhero? That's all you got. Little flashlight cop.
Stop crying, man. Stop crying. Stop crying.
I'm getting paid to be here.
Nobody's
okay.
crying but you.
Uncle Tom. Hey, Uncle Tom, shut up. Shut up, Uncle Tom. Uncle Tom, get back in that shack. Uncle Tom.
Yeah, get out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, get the fuck out of here.
Why are you here?
First you tell us to get the fuck out of here. Now you don't want to know why we're here. Get the fuck out of here.
Shut up.
Yeah, we got you. We got you. We got you
paid to
filmed.
tell
We're
you to
gonna
shut up.
report you. Man, stop acting like a clown. Act like an adult. How old are you, clown?
Act professional.
You're supposed to be a professional security guard, clown. Yeah, because you're ignorant. That's why you can't hear me. Yeah, because you're ignorant. That's why you can't hear me. Yeah, you're ignorant. You're ignorant.
It don't
You're
look
ignorant.
like you're working. It don't look like you're working. You're just working your mouth. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah.
You can't help but act like a clown, huh? He's already ready to start dancing again.
What have you done for me lately? Yeah.
Here we go. We got two more walking up, bro.
Oh, we got two more of them now. Two more allies. Oh, you guys got some other clowns coming up?
Let's get them to start talking about the reckless drivers, bro. How they almost ran you over there.
Oh, here he comes. Here comes that walk. Look at that walk. I told you guys. Oh, God, wow. Look at that walk. You ride a horse to work or what?
Sorry?
Did you ride a horse to work?
Did I ride a horse to work?
Yeah.
Probably.
Probably.
You got two lift shoes on?
A little bit.
Either way, we're just wanting to know what the situation is here. You know.
Everything all right?
We're investigating reckless drivers, and we've already encountered a couple. So you guys should just mind your own business and let us do our investigation.
Okay. Fine. Yeah, no problem. We just wanted to, know what the situation was out here.
Yeah.
How come your security guard came off the property and walked out here with the public sidewalk?
Yes.
Do you guys hire security to monitor the streets?
No, we don't. We just have them monitor.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
You guys have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
Do you understand your rights?
Look at that. Pretty sad how the employees of the facilities like to waste the company's time, come out here for no reason, ask ridiculous questions, and then just turn around and walk away with no incident. It doesn't make any sense. The people, management should talk to these employees in town, not just to mind their own business altogether, not to come out and approach people on the public sidewalk. SUV News First, AV Watchman.